Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a step by step how to install anti-gravity on a Windows 11. Just follow the same step. First open a browser. Now search for my anti-gravity official website. Once the website approves it, click on a main page. Now the home page you can see the anti-gravity. Click the download button and also a download button. Download for us x64 bit of Windows. As you can see it's downloading. Let's wait for installing is completed. Now the file is downloaded. I go to the downloaded folder or double click to the setup. All the terms and conditions you will be approved on next and install. Now we waiting for a installation process has to be the finished. When it's finished, go to the next. Installation is now completed. Click on a finished button and now I open anti-gravity on the desktop. Start with the fresh. Start with fresh on the next. Here you can select the theme and here the from options of how do you want to use the emergent AI agent. You will use selected, but I go for the recommended as AI agent device is probably developing for as customizing as AI. You can generate customizing but I go to the recommended path. One go to the configuration is editing and next. Click on next and go to the Google and sign in completed. You can see the agent here and open as my projects of pages is almost same to same of a VS Code if you can use a terminal and also have an extension you can use. Here is your AKM and MCU storage where you can install your MCP server and all purchase I guess for the 2009 for the here. And this tutorial is helpful. Sure you can like and subscribe for a more AI content.